Welcome back to today's video. In the previous video we entered this table. In this table now, looking at this table is very easy when the table is does not have much data. So you find it very easy to do your arrangement. But when the data begin to grow, you have more data in the page, then you see you see that the table will now be very difficult to maintain. First, you need to know how to maintain this table. So what we do is we format this table. We can do text alignment. It's important that you know how to arrange text in table such as this. So now I will go to my layout. That's my layout. I will just have an example. Let's say um I'll add additional cell. I just add to the right. Insert. This is another way of inserting row. So I'll just insert. I can have my cursor here. Just have my cursor here. Then I can insert to the right. So I'll insert to the right. So I'll just put um, account. Okay. So I'll just put. Now you see this account details spilling over. That's not what I want. I want it to be in a straight line. So you can do that in the layout. So this is the layout. I can look at my text distribution, row distribution. I have increased the column, but there's an easier way we can do this. We can just simply fit to page, fit to. We can auto fit. Look at auto fit. So I can fit the content. I can auto fit the content. Can either fit the content. You see, this thing is fitted to the content. You see, everything is looking. You see, it's still not working. So that's where we will go to page layout. So we'll go to our page layout. Look at the page layout now. As usual, if you have been watching my previous video, you know how to change our page layout. Now it is in portrait. The page now is in portrait, but I want it in landscape. So what do? I believe you remember. So I'll double click my ruler, then I'll go to here. We're having it as portrait, so I can make it landscape. So I'll make it landscape. Being that it's already fits to window, you see that it's taking the window as it is from this end to this end, and it's looking a bit better. Okay, since it's fit to the window, if I add any other row or as it is, let me say section. Okay, I can continue adding. You see that it will automatically be fitting to the window. Okay, just in case you are having much more data than I have here, you can easily add to your page. You can add to the side of your page, to the left and the right, to make the page wider for you. So now I'll just make, instead of 1 point, I'll just make it point 0.2 inches. So I'll make it 0.2 inches. So now when I add, sorry, 0.2 apply to one side. Okay, bottom. So I will apply 0.2 to the left and the right. You see the page is now wider. So whatever I'm adding, I'm adding to fit to the width. I can as well manually adjust it myself. So I can adjust, maybe I want this one is smaller, I can adjust it. So you see, even despite my adjustment, you see that it's not exceeding this edges. These edges is fitted to page and everything is working well. That one comes very helpful when you are working on large data table. So we end the video here for now, and in the other video we'll talk about uh how to merge cell, how to merge cells, how to uh get cell margin, and how to split cell, and to split table. So, and we enter formula. That's what we are going to be discussing in the next video.